Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I finally found a code. And I have to tell me, I can't, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. What was it? What was it? Yo, guys, how you spell jewelry? I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I'm gonna put some code in. Or whatever. Is this how you no, I'm a bad speller. EEYVZ guy. What we did, I did. I don't know what I did. Did that? I guess. I don't believe this. I knew it. I am a genius, and I believe nothing. This man is a liar. How did he get this? I don't know. He is full of liars here. Well, if you're in January, it worked. Please. Seriously, he is. He's a big liar. There, look, I have done it. Total liar, look at this. I don't get 2 whole diamonds in here. No. No. Wait, what the? You're in the middle of my video. Actually, it's kind of like the beginning, actually. Char cars, mode, no ghosts. Oh, what's a monster hair? My brother's sleeping. My brother's right there. What do you think you're doing? Who's monster hair? You YouTube or something? Alright, let's see whatever. This guy's still lying. He used TechSmith. I'm doing screencast back now because I was excited for this, but now it's a big liar. What's the code? What? What is it? Whoa! Still believe in nothing. Thank you. Stop it. Thanks. Alright, thanks. That's what I need. Alright, so then it's July 4th. They're gonna get some birthday or something. It's not gonna work. No, 6, 2 years ago. Right? Yay. Big trophy liar. You need a bone. What the? Oh my gosh. I'm no kid. I'm not a baby. Just go there. I have nothing. Thanks a lot. You are a big liar, liar, chicken liar. Yeah, do you have to do it before I log in or something? Ooh, I want some 5 diamond code. How does person get a bear thing? I see nothing. What are you saying? What the? Tell me in the comments down below what, oh my gosh, what he is saying. I have absolutely nothing what it is saying. It is very glitchy. No, it's just blurry. Nothing is glitchy about that. It's loud.